Hoover was a pony riding, roller skating, design and nature buff familiar with 5 dialects. She wedded her topography colleague and future President Herbert Hoover in 1899, and the lovebirds took off for China. Mrs. Hoover immediately learned Chinese, a language the couple would utilize when they needed to convey secretly before visitors at the White House. At that point in 1900, the Boxer Rebellion started, a contention in which numerous Chinese fiercely assaulted outsiders in light of pressures over expanding West and impact on the country.Mrs. Hoover treated shot injuries, manufactured blockades, and rode through the region on her bike with a gun, watching with Western soldiers. She would need to assist indeed when her family was in London during the beginning of World War I, and she was asked by the US minister to sort out Guy for the dislodged. She turned into a victor for Belgium while they were involved in the US. She coordinated the American Red Cross Canteen Escort service to get back injured American warriors. Later in her life, she assisted with the establishing of the Girl Scouts. During the Great Depression, which her better half battled to control, she made ordinary radio stations to the American public. It was a day-to-day existence brimming with outdoorsmanship and compassion for the spouse of one America's most uncompelling presidents, too.